Hello everyone and welcome to Allen Tech. Today I'm going to be showing you a kind of cheap way. I have attached a shotgun mic with a shoe to my camcorder. Okay, so this, I couldn't use my camcorder obviously because you need to see it, and pictures just really doesn't do this justice. So what I have essentially done is I've gotten me some command strips. Probably any kind of strip that does this will do. The reason I got a command strip is because I am getting a bracket in the mail that will attach to my camera through the bottom hole and give me a quote-unquote shoe to put my microphone on. But I don't have that right now, and I got stuff I gotta do. So it's actually fairly simple. I used a command strip. These were a bit long, so I had to cut them as my jagged cuts. And I hope this is coming across really well. Let's see if I can get it up here. But you can see that it's in kind of just where that flat part is. And that is actually enough. I put the same thing on my camcorder. Let me get my flash here so I can... There we go. So I did the same thing on the camcorder. That's actually too much light. But it goes on. You hear like a little click. And voila! The shotgun mic stays in place. Now, it's not without faults. I mean, it's pretty easy to kind of just wiggle it and take it off or whatnot, but for most of my stuff, the camera sits still. I don't do a lot of wind, so this works. So if you've got a $200 camcorder that shoots really good video like this little Canon does, but it's just not sticking, it's just not doing very well, doesn't have the shoe that you need, this may be an option for you. Like I said, I just took a command strip, cut it down, and then it is ready to go. So, really quick video this week, and just thought some people out there might like this. My wife actually kind of came up with this idea, so thank you to her for that. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps. If you didn't like this video, well, you know what to do. And as always, I will put a subscribe link somewhere over here in the right up-hand corner. And as always, I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.